Hey guys, Rakman here. So just a short video to show how I make my shake. So first you're gonna do, I'm doing a different way now. I'm boiling some water. Then I'm gonna throw here 2 I think. Then you take your bag of Future Life, move it here, the shake for me. So you can pour 2 scoops, 1 scoop, 3 scoops, but I prefer 2 scoops. See? So guys, I'm going on my phone is on charge. So yeah, if you are finished with this, you're gonna shake it. I already did. So let's do a taste test. Guys, a taste test. Yum. So this is my shake. If you want to copy it, maybe you want to try it. So yeah.